Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this internship video series, today we have an incredible opportunity from Baker Hughes. Baker Hughes has announced a summer internship program 2025, and this particular internship program is available in multiple locations in India, Mumbai as well as Bangalore. These are the two locations the summer internship program 2025 was offered by the Baker Hughes. Let's see what are the eligibility criteria for this Baker Hughes internship program. The very first one is you should be currently enrolled in the bachelor's or master level degree, engineering, or it could be technology and mechanics, or other STEM related or business related program. And candidates should have maintained a GPA grade greater than or equal to 3.0 out of 4.0 or equivalent in your respective country. And you should be fluent enough in oral as well as the written English, effective communication skills. So during the internship program, you will be able to relocate the duration of your internship program. The duration of the internship program, you have to relocate it. And also be legally entitled to work within the country which you are applying without company sponsorship or time restriction now or in the future. These are the eligibility criteria for the summer internship program 2025. Let's see as an intern what are the roles and responsibilities of this internship program. So when it comes to the roles and responsibilities of this Baker Hughes internship program, receiving coaching, mentoring to enable you to complete the assignments and projects to develop your learning and skill set. And you will be completing the internal projects to deliver the customer outcomes and identify the business improvement. And also, you have to collaborate with the cross-functional teams and the interns to interact, network with the global business leaders. And also we have to apply the health, safety, environment standard and procedures in all situations to ensure compliance is maintained. For such type of internship program, if you're interested, you can apply it using the apply now button. And also you can check in the right side, there are a list of opportunities they have opened it. If you are suitable for these opportunities, please do apply. For such type of internship program, please do visit my YouTube channel handle. My YouTube channel handle is Start with Jenna. Please support me in this YouTube journey. And I have curated a playlist which talks about coding challenges, hackathon challenges, the latest trending technology updates, scholarship updates, latest internship updates, free certification opportunity updates. Based on that, the playlist was curated. If you're not having enough time for these playlists visit, please do check out my shorts. This particular shorts is having the latest trending technology updates with a time duration of 1 minute. You can share this information to your friends, colleagues, neighbors, your lovable ones. They will also get benefited from this playlist. Thank you so much for your support and the extended help. And stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much.